This is the perfect example of why you never open the door for police.
No, you can't come in. It's just me and my mother here.
Otherwise, I'm about to force your door open.
No, no one's coming into my house, sir. Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Back up. Okay.
Please don't do this to us. It's not us.
I get that.
Well, just
Let me
no.
do a quick search and then I'll leave. That's it. Look, I'll be honest with you. I'm about to just arrest you for interference.
No, please
I'm
don't.
not going to my bedroom. What? I don't understand what's going on here.
Welcome back to Just Following Orders. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. If you want to support the channel, then hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let's get started. Today is a short video coming out of Frisco, Texas, where the Frisco Police received a call from a woman in an apartment complex claiming she heard a fight that sounded like a guy was beating up a girl. Now, this is the important part. She said she thought it was coming from upstairs, but she was not sure. So they arrive at the door of Elvin Turner, and things get really stupid really fast. This is a short video, so I'm going to play it all the way through and come back at the end and give my thoughts. You're going to want to hear how the officer tried to justify this.
Police.
How you doing?
I'm good, yourself?
Hey, good. Hey, we were getting calls about somebody being injured back here, screaming, and
Did they say what apartment? Or?
they thought
Yours?
it was 1354.
No, it's not mine.
Okay.
Can we come in?
No, you can't come in. It's just me and my mother here.
Just you and your mom?
My mother's right here. Somehow somebody's screaming.
Yeah.
No, ain't nobody
Right.
in here.
Okay. So,
I'm at the wrong apartment.
Yeah, you're at the wrong apartment.
I don't think we do. It's your downstairs neighbor. It's the one directly above you. And I come in just to make sure no one's hurt and then I'll leave.
No,
Otherwise, I'm about to force your door open.
no one's coming into my house, sir. Sir, what are you doing?
No.
What are you doing?
Back up.
Listen,
Stay there.
nobody's in here. Okay. So somebody, here's my room. Go in there. That's my room.
Are you hurt?
Huh?
Are you hurt?
Am I hurt?
Yeah.
I have.
Well, no, I mean, did he like hit you or anything?
No.
Because they said, someone said, stop hitting me, stop punching me.
No. I put my life on my mama. My mama is dead.
Okay.
Please don't do this to us. It's not us.
I get that.
Well, just
Let me
no.
do a quick search and then I'll leave.
Go
That's
ahead.
it. That's it. Police.
I told you you didn't hit me.
Police. Police.
No one else is here. You're not going to my bedroom, sir.
Look, I'll be honest with you. I'm about to just arrest you for interference.
You're
Like,
not going to my bedroom. What? I don't understand what's going on here.
I already told you, I'm just doing a quick search to make sure no one's
But I
hurt.
didn't invite you guys into my
I get
house.
that. Let me in the room so I can search. And then I'll leave.
Just go. Just go.
This is
That's all right. We'll deal with it.
I can't believe this. You all got the wrong apartment. Whenever you get done, you got the wrong apartment.
Police. I'm leaving. I'm backing up.
Yes, please get out of my house.
Yep, that's it. I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Can we get a card? Can we get some paperwork on this?
I need your name and badge number 2, sir.
We need all of this.
It's on that. It's Schick
my name is Sergeant
3573.
What's your name?
Schick
Schick?
3573.
3573.
This is your name, sir?
So this last part is hard to hear because of the echo in the hallway, but what I can make out is that the sergeant apologized to Evelyn and his mother, saying he understands them being upset. Both Evelyn and his mother expressed they didn't appreciate telling the officer no and him just bursting in anyway as if they were criminals. They both said that they were scared for their lives, which is understandable because there's been many cases of cops bursting in the wrong house and people end up losing their lives. Now let's get into this article and the ridiculous excuses this police officer gave. In the police report, the officer cites exigent circumstances as the reason for forcing the door open and said that Elvin Turner was suspicious, in part because he only opened the door part of the way. Turner said he was just trying to keep his dog from running into the hallway. As we can see here,
Right here. Talking about somebody screaming.
Yeah.
No, ain't nobody
Right.
in here.
That doesn't even make logical sense to assume that somebody opening the door part of the way means that they're suspicious. What if he just didn't have any underwear on? What if there was an orgy going on that you just interrupted? Evelyn was of larger stature than me, the officer wrote in the police report. To attempt to prevent force from being escalated, I drew my department-issued taser and pointed it at Evelyn briefly and told him to back up. So both of those statements contradict each other. He was suspicious because Evelyn wouldn't open the door all the way, but he was also scared that Evelyn was going to initiate force on him with the door open part of the way. So look, you basically have two types of people who become cops. One type of person is the person who actually wants to defend people and protect people, and they want to sacrifice themselves for what they see as the greater good. And then you have another type of person that has what I like to call toxic hero syndrome, where they basically want to become the hero because of unmet emotional needs and an ego. And so they have an unhealthy need for validation. They want to feel important and respected, and they'll go to any lengths to get that, including trampling on people's rights in this case. But in other cases, it goes to lengths of it causing people harm. I mean, look at both officers' responses when Evelyn told them it was the wrong place. The sergeant said that the person said it might have been that place, while the officer who wanted to play the hero said it definitely was that place.
Did they say what apartment or?
They thought it
Yours?
was 1354.
No, it's not mine.
Can we come in?
He was on a mission to save somebody that night, and he had to create whatever story he needed to create to get in that door. Anyways, let me know what y'all think in the comments about this interaction. I appreciate y'all for checking out today's video. Hit the subscribe button. I'll catch y'all next time. Y'all have a wonderful day.